All right, team, here we are back again. SPY on our way to 510, guys. What an amazing day. Check that out. So yesterday we talked about the chop zone. Here's our chop zone from yesterday. We also talked about having, actually, let's move this over here. Talked about our little support area here. Okay. Now I'm going to make that nice and bright for us. Okay. That was support for SPY. Guess what they did again today, guys? Burning options. Look at that. Burning options. So we can take our little chop zone here. Okay. And one of the things that you want to know or want to learn is that the width, okay, or you can say the height of this chop zone is usually going to play out. Okay. Now, if you see your stock doing this, you want to get ready for that measured move, guys. So when it does pop out of that box, you can expect a move that is close to the height or length or width, however you're looking at this, from the top, bottom, or across. So anyways, what a day, right? So now, check out what we have here, guys. We have something that is really special for my puts. If you guys play option contracts, yes, support was broken, and this is healthy for the stock, guys. So if you're holding calls, guys, and you want to learn how to hedge this, guys, take my courses, link below. Okay, $1. You can't beat it for $1. If you've lost more than $1,000, you need to take a course. Even if you don't take my course, take a freaking course, guys. Okay, let's take a look at the big picture. This is the picture for the last 2 days. Okay, Chop City, and then we drop. Okay, what's the big picture telling us? All right, again, big picture, guys. Here we are. We have our channel going down. We talked about this yesterday, okay? And we said that we had a path going down, right? So we came here, okay? Then we hit those resistance and support areas. We didn't make it back here. We actually were short. Then we stopped here. And we got up to right above this channel here, right? Which is considered what? If you take my courses, that's right. A nice little fake out by the bears, okay? So this is what they're going to do every single time. They're going to take the price action right above that line because they know you're watching that line, and they know if you have puts, which they don't want to pay for those puts, they're going to take the price up there so that you sell. Okay. And a lot of people did sell, guys. If you want to see the buys and the sells for SPY or SPX, I've got a website I can share with you guys that shows you the daily volume on these things. All right. So now we are below the midline. Okay. So if you understand channels, guys, if you're below the midline, this is not good, okay, which we did come here. Okay, nothing wrong with what's going on here, guys. If we do a Fibonacci, okay, from this area down here where it started, okay, we're looking at a 50% retracement, which would be around the 517 area, okay, maybe 516. That's healthy, okay, that's very, very healthy for the stock. Nothing wrong with that. However, we have something else that you need to focus on, okay? And I'm going to show you here in a second, guys. This is a freaking big gap. Look at that gap. There is nothing in there that is going to save SPY. Tell me what's going to keep SPY up, guys. Again, healthy pullback is up until this area, okay? Now, we have nothing but green candles. There is nothing that's going to hold it down. Okay. What else are we looking at here? We have 2 major support areas for SPX right now, guys. And the first one is the 514 area. Okay. If we get under that 514, which might happen, okay? SPX, SPY, very strong with the Mag 7. 514 might lose the battle. And the next one is, of course, what I've been saying in my videos, guys. Yes, that's right. 510. Okay. This is not something I create, guys. This is something that happens naturally with stocks. They will pull back naturally to this area here, like we talked about. Okay. This is normal. This area is normal for the stock. So if you own stock, you say to yourself, okay, it's going to retrace 50%, maybe 61%. Okay. This is normal. But if you do not have any support, okay, look at this big candle right here too. No support, guys. Okay. You will keep falling. You have a little red candle here. Okay. That you can say, well, that's support, but this is an engulfing candle which ate that up, which takes us to the next level. Nothing but green candles, guys. There is nothing that SPY can land on. Now, can people come in and buy? Absolutely. You could see this for the next whatever many days or weeks they want to do it. They'll keep the price action here. So you'll see this come down, bounce, go under, bounce, and then they'll just keep going and going and going until they either drop or they bounce right at the 510 and we start going up again, okay? Understand the two major zones, guys, 514, okay, and 510, okay? This is what you need to remember in the next 2 weeks. And once we clear all the scribbles out, guys, this is what you need to remember. We are headed to 514. And now, if we don't bounce from there, we are headed to 510, guys, okay? This is normal. This is normal, okay? I'm going to show you something. Look at this drop here. This drop was... and I'm not making this up. You see it on here. It's about $9, okay? Let's look at this drop here. Let's look at what $9 looks like. 514. Guys, learn how to make money on the way down. Link below, guys. Join the bull ring. $1 a day. 30-day money back guarantee. You can't lose, okay? No support there. We can go down another $3-4. Now you might say, Coach, there is no way SPY is going to drop $12. And what I'm going to tell you is, you might want to go back to, I don't know, February 12th. $12 drop. What the? That's right. It can fall $12. And it only took 1 day, 2 hours, and 30 minutes. Okay. That's how quick, guys. This is how quick it can go. Let's look at this drop from here to here. $9. You starting to see an average? $9. Worst case scenario, $12, guys. I bought my puts. I'm shorting this already because I know that I still have room to fall and I could be profitable. You need to jump into some courses, get some coaching, join me every day live, okay? Live in my chat room so that you can learn this stuff. Now, let's look at the big boy on the block, guys, okay? We have NVIDIA here. If you are in my team, in my live chat room, you understand exactly what this chart says. If you don't, I will explain it to you in the courses if you want to sign up, but I'm going to give you a brief explanation right here, guys, okay? Get rid of that. So we have NVIDIA that had a top right up here. This was resistance and it fell to here, came back up, and it fell here, which is the same area that we have around here. So let's just take that drop, and we're going to say that's $121. Okay. And then Nvidia went up, went down, went up, went down, so on and so on. And now Nvidia went up, total of 116. Okay. Now, if I was to put Nvidia in a box, guys, okay, and it's what you need to learn with your stocks, okay, when it went down, okay, we have all this area headed up that we can fill, and sure enough, it decided to go fill it, and that's what it's doing. Okay, now it's headed down. Okay, so I'm gonna extend this box. Okay, now we hit the top here, which is the same that we did here. Hit it there. Guess where we might be going? Uh-oh. If you guys are playing Nvidia, be very careful. Nvidia is still going to be very strong, guys. It's going to do well if you believe in it. You don't want to hedge it. You don't want to buy puts. You just want to stay in long. Buy time. If you're buying contracts, buy a lot of time, guys. I'm talking about 6 months worth of time, because this will be over soon, and then it'll come back up. Potentially head towards 1100, 1200. I know the analysts dropped the price a little bit to about 1,000 because of what happened. Nvidia still is doing one thing that other stocks are not. They're just killing it. I'm talking about banking, a lot of money. They're making a lot of money, guys. So Nvidia is headed down. Okay, how far down? If this was a normal retracement, guys, okay, and I'm going to pull this out so you can see it, a normal fib retracement, okay, I expect to see Nvidia to 908. Worst case scenario, 895, and then the bounce. Okay, now can it come all the way down here? Absolutely. Okay, now the only bad part is if it does come down here, guys, okay, we have to look over here and see where the next support area is at for Nvidia. And if we look, and I know you're following me because you're going to remember SPY, okay, we do have some support here, guys. Okay, there is some support at 842. If it did fall, there's more support at about 835 area. Okay, after that, okay, look at this gap. Okay, we have a big gap. We have a gap from here, 835 down to around 819. Then it can go to 790. I don't know that it will go down that much, guys. If Ferraris went on sale and they were half off, you'd buy the heck out of it. So I can't see it going down there without companies jumping in and saying, I'm buying, I'm buying, I'm buying. Like I said, worst case scenario would be this first line, 844. But I think it's going to do its normal retracement down to the 900 area, and then it'll start bouncing up, okay? If you guys want to know more about NVIDIA, if you want to know more about SPY, leave me a DM or a comment below, guys, and let me know. Okay, if you're finding value in this video, subscribe, guys, hit that notification bell, and this way you get reminded and you get a notice, okay, whether it's an email, a text, okay, that I just posted a video. Okay, and if you like the video, do me a favor and smash that big thumb, that like button. Okay, it really helps the channel out. If there's another stock you guys want me to look at, I will definitely look at it, guys, and I want to show you a couple of things in the next video. So I have some surprises coming, so make sure you subscribe, guys. Stay tuned. Okay, remember, we are falling. This is very healthy for the market. Okay, nothing wrong with what's going on. Okay, so until the next video, guys, wishing you a very green day tomorrow.